So this is my setup. It's in the back of my truck. A lot of you are gonna laugh because you're gonna say it takes up the whole back seat, but I don't really haul anybody back here anyway. So this is my setup. I've got the JL Audio RD 1000x1 amp for the subs. Down here beneath it is the JL Audio 300x4 RD series amp as well. It's in there behind that panel. Here's just another view of it sitting on the driver's side for now until I move it to the center of the truck. This amp is a 3 ohm amp. The sub is wired in 3 ohms for some weird reason from JL Audio. So as you can see, simply I've got it plugged in. It is a monoblock amp. So I've got it plugged in to right there. Just one outlet. It's got two, but it's the same signal. It's just easier if you're hooking up multiple speakers to use both outputs. So as you can see, wiring this up is quite easy. I'm running just 12 gauge into it for now. It's got these bonding posts that accept wire in all different ways: banana clips, bare wire, pins, however you want to install it. And they're pretty good quality clips. I've had many subwoofer boxes over the years with good subs and cheap clips. I've always wanted the sub, and you get what you pay for with JL Audio. So it's wired as it is, ready to go. So down here for the amp. I've already got the amp tuned the way I want it. So now we're just going to wire the sub in to the amp. Like I said, it's a two 1.5-inch ohm voice coils wired to a 3 ohm load. You just pick any of the positives. It doesn't really matter which ones you use. Then I just put the cap on. And there you have it. The JL Audio RD 1000x1 wired to a 3 ohm load to a 12-inch W7 subwoofer. I'm just going to slide it over.